The Palm GPS Navigator Smartphone Edition is the easiest way to get GPS navigation right on your Trio. It comes with everything you need to get full GPS directions when you're on the road, so you don't have to go out and buy an expensive separate GPS unit. In this video, we're going to show you how it all works. We're going to start by taking a look at what's inside the box. Of course, it comes with a manual. It also comes with a DVD with all of the maps and the GPS software loaded right on there. It also comes with a Bluetooth GPS receiver. This wirelessly communicates with your Trio, and it receives a satellite signal, tells you where you are. Best of all, it comes with an SD card with the maps and the software preloaded on it, so all you need to do is stick that in your Trio and you're good to go. Of course, it comes with a car mount. It actually comes with two, one that's universal and one that's specifically designed to hold your Trio. In addition to that, it also comes with an SD card reader if you want to load the software onto your own memory card instead of onto the one that comes with it. And last but not least, it comes with a power adapter that powers both your Trio and the Bluetooth receiver. Now we're going to show you how to install the included TomTom software right on your Trio. It's actually very easy. You just take the SD card that it comes with and you put it into your Trio. Now TomTom is compatible with both Windows Mobile and Palm OS, so this will work right out of the box with a Trio 650, 680, 700p, and 700WX. It'll also work with Palm Trio 750 or 755 if you want to use your own SD card. So let's go through some options here. We're going to choose English US, and then we'll choose a couple more. We'll choose to be right-handed, we'll choose miles, we'll choose a time, and we're also going to choose a voice for it to give us spoken directions. So let's see what Mandy sounds like.
After 1/4 mile, you have reached your destination.
So Mandy sounds pretty good. We'll select her, and then we'll go on to the last step where you select your map, and you will need to enter in your product code. And we recommend you do the automatic, which has your Trio go online to submit your product code. And all you need to do is punch in your product code, and you can find that on the inside flap of the included DVD. Here's the product code for this one. There's the DVD. And once you've done that, you're all set and you're ready to go. Now, setting up the Palm Navigation Kit in your car is also very easy. You just take the included arm there and stick it either to your windshield or to the included disc that you can stick onto your dashboard for better placement. And then you attach the adapter to hold your Trio in place. And we'll just stick the Trio right in there. A little piece of plastic, sorry about that. Alright, and then the next step is you just take the included power adapter, plug it into your lighter, and then you'll plug one end of the cord into the Bluetooth GPS receiver. There it is. So you plug that in, and then you'll want to make sure to turn the receiver on, of course. And then you can set that up on your dash. And then the last step is you take the other end of the cord and plug it into your Trio to power it up, and bada bing, you are good to go. Now we'll take a look at what you need to do to get directions on your Trio. Pretty simple. You just tap the screen and up pops your menu. You're going to choose the navigate button. You'll notice the buttons are very big, easy to push with your finger. And you can see you can sort by reset destination or points of interest, but we're going to search for an address. And then you go into addresses, and you'll typically want to go for a house and street number. And you can actually type right on the keyboard of the Trio instead of having to use the on-screen keyboard, which is really convenient. And you can see here that the list of cities is auto-filtering down as I punch in the name of the city, and the same is going to happen with the street name. It auto-filters down to the name of the street that you're looking for. So it's very quick. And then the last thing you enter is the house number, and once you punch that in, you're going to tap Done. There you go. And TomTom will automatically figure out a route from where you are to where you want to go. And then you're ready to start driving, so you'll tap Done and put it in gear. Alright, lastly we want to show you some of the features that TomTom gives you while you're driving. This main driving screen is actually really nice. In the lower left you see it shows how far until your next turn. You've also got GPS signal strength, the approximate time you're going to arrive, about how far you have to go, and how long it's going to take you to get there. And then of course at the bottom you have got what street you're on. And then, you know, the very nice large map, you can see that your next turn shows up, and it also gives you spoken directions when you need them, so that you can know when your turn is coming up. And the other thing that I really like about TomTom is if you happen to miss a turn or for some reason go off of your route, like we're about to do here, TomTom will automatically recalculate and give you a new route based on where you currently are. And it doesn't always involve a U-turn. So for example here, you'll see TomTom is going to recalculate, and it will, and looks like it wants me to go straight ahead and take a right turn in another 0.7 miles. So that's a really great feature of this GPS software. And last but not least, we want to give you a chance to hear the voice of TomTom.
Turn right. Then, you have reached your destination.
So there it is, the Palm GPS Navigator Smartphone Edition for the Trio. Comes with the GPS maps and the software, the Bluetooth GPS satellite receiver, a car adapter to charge both of the above, and of course a car mount. It is the easiest way to get GPS onto your Trio.